Alright, welcome back to the extended version of the simplest tutorial of the 5x5 Professor's Cube. In the last video, I showed you how to construct the non-yellow edges. Now I'm going to show you how to solve the final part of the edges done here. So now, find here the edge. Wait. So, okay, but if this happens where you have got the parity errors, so let's do one thing. Just turn one side here, like this, then apply the flipping algorithm. So now you can do all the edges like I have showed you. Right. Wait. So I tell you one thing, that you have to finish just the third layer, and most of the time you have to don't buy my cube, because my cube has some problems. And I tell you one thing, you can check out this Shengshao 5x5. I have another cube, but this is the new one I've got it. So check out this cube, and before I start with it, I just give you a few minutes. Let's continue. So now you have the last layer to complete with it. I'm showing you the final edge here. Now, alright, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can solve all the edge parities only by two colors. So, thanks for watching my final edges video. I'm going to be showing you the next video about my edge parity. I showed you that how to show all the edges, final edges done. So I'm going to show you how to solve the edge parities. Thanks for watching.